This is Lakshmi and my case study name is Jason Coupons. Let's start with architecture diagram. I provide Angular framework for web development, and Swagger is used for testing the API calls directly in the browser. And when it comes to security, I provide security to each and every microservice. I am using JSON security for developing for provide security to each and every microservice. JSON security tokens can be stored in local storage or session storage and cookie storage, but I am using local storage for storing the tokens. When the user is logged out, then the storage in the local storage token can be automatically deleted. When come to API gateway, it handles all the requests and it works as a front door for all the requests. It also known as edge server. And when it come to this admin service, the admin service perform the CRUD operations like add the users, add the companies, and delete, edit operations performed in admin service. And when came to customer service, the customer can purchase their coupons, what are the available coupons are there, and wallets, the customer coupons, wallets, all are performed in customer service. And the company service, the companies, for example, like Amazon, Uber, that all companies can add their coupons and add their product details and what discounts, deals are all are performed in this company service. And these three are the microservices I developed in middleware. In each and every microservice are connected to NoSQL MongoDB database. Each and every service has their separate NoSQL MongoDB database. And when come to Eureka server is used for registering all the services. I registered API gateway, and these are all the services in Eureka server. By the use of Eureka server, the developer forget their customer service port number. Then if they go to the Eureka server and check the port number and perform the operations, it's easy to find the port numbers, and it performs load balancer. And when I come to this UI part, this is the UI part for my deals and coupons case study, and this is the home page. In this home page, I am using casual bootstrap effect for scrolling the images, and this is the contact us form. If the user wanted to send a message for that particular website, then he can contact easily by using this form. And add some Gmail and add some message here, group or person, some of the messages. And by using smart alert message, I perform this alert operations. And if I sign in as admin, then admin page will be open. User detail. And if the user wanted to add their users and delete the users by using this web form, and some gmail.com and save. It's saved in the database also here, and it's showing alert messages, you subscribed successfully. And if I don't want this user, then the admin can delete also and perform edit operations also. If the admin can add their product details by using this form and product accessories or booking, I perform booking operation for flights and add their image and submit. It's showing the image. This is the now I submitted this form. If the user wanted to, if the admin wanted to delete their product, then they easily delete their product by using this. After clicking on this icon, it's redirected to delete component and delete this details. I perform these operations by using Angular material, and Angular material is used to create uh, UI part very effectively. And if I filtering some of the details the Flipkart will be shown here. If I want some the cab details will be shown. Like this, I performed filtering. And if I log in after log out this admin portal, if I log in as admin, if I log in as user, it's redirected to user form. If I click on coupons, what are the available coupons are there, it's shown. I add only one coupon here, and that's why it's showing only one coupon. After the click on categories, what are the admin can add their products, all are in shown here. And if when come to security, the token will be stored in local storage. Here the token will be stored. If a user after click on logout, the token will be deleted automatically after it's redirected the login page. And this is the UI part. When come to this middleware, I developed a company service, and this is the server, Eureka server, for registering all the services. And this is the gateway for through gateway we can call all the microservices. And this is the edge server, and this is the customer server. I wanted to tell one of the security here. And if the user wanted to subscribe the details, it's redirect to subscription part. If the user wanted to authenticate, it's redirect to this art part. And when I come to this front end, I develop these are all the components I created. And this is the module, and this is for contact as a component, for this is for home page, and this is for login, and this is for registration. And this is for product list, what are the list are there are shown here. And this is for user, and this is for customer. If I provide security, if the user can pay the options like payment or purchase the coupons, I provide more security for that. That's why I created ArtGuard. If in routing, if you provide that particular part like ArtGuard, it's after login only we can perform their operations. Without login, we can't perform that operations. And package.json, what are here what I installed, but all the import statements are here in this package.json. I install for animations Angular material for developing the table, and icons all are developed by using Angular material. That's why I installed Angular material. And these are all the compilers, comments, and coupons. This is for animations part. I perform animation, that's why I installed this. And some part I installed that bootstrap also for developing some part of the bootstrap. Most of it I developed by using Angular material I developed.